Hello, everyone. So this is going to be another vlog of my review on the Thule Outride bike mount. So my previous video was about the Yakima Boa. As mentioned, I do have this Outride as well. So you'll see me here mounting it up onto my car. This was another Sunday early morning ride over to camp and trail in the valley. So you'll see me here mounting it up, making sure it's locked in, and you'll see me holding on to the suspension up front just to make sure that it's stable. You really have to make sure that it's locked in because that's the main locking point onto the car. So you might be wondering what this bungee cord that I've wrapped around my roof rack. So this is a DIY hack on eliminating wind noise. Normally, if you have extra money, you can buy the wind deflector, but it's pretty expensive. So I looked this up on YouTube, and apparently this is also a hack that you can buy bungee cord that you can wrap around the front bar, and it does work. It eliminates the wind noise when you're traveling above 90 kilometers per hour. So please do go ahead and check it out. It does work. So this is my short review of the Thule Outride bike mount. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a short overview on how it looks like. So I prefer this over the Yakimoboa since it's all Thule products. Um, Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on bike related stuff, cars, and accessories. Thank you and have a nice day.